In one of my comments, somebody mentioned that Sophos does a home firewall, or at least software to install on your own appliance. I thought I'd have a look. So all I've done so far is boot to the USB, and it wanted to boot via legacy rather than UEFI for some reason. I don't know why. And I tapped on the enter key to continue. And this is what happened. So we'll let it do its thing. It's installing the firmware. I don't know how long it's going to take. Well, that's interesting. That needs to shut up. Oh, Sophos, what was that all about? I've used Sophos a lot. I've used their products for a very long time. That's excellent. What a great start that is. Let's see. Maybe it has installed it as UEFI. I don't know. Let's have a look at the options. None. Yeah. Oh dear. This is not going to be a great video, is it? Let's see what happens. What have you done? Sophos, what have you done? Oh, I love it when things go wrong. Sophos installer. Let's have a look. Let's try you again, shall we? It'd be interesting to see if this one actually works. Yeah, why not? Cleaning disk. This took a few minutes last time, and then failed anyway, with that strange old music. I get the feeling I'm going to get that again somehow. I don't know what it's about. I mean, you would... I don't know. You would think that this kind of thing should be easy. If this is pinpoint, if this is directed for home users, let's see. I don't know. We'll let it do its thing. We'll come back in a minute. Or we'll come back now. Yeah, I'm not liking this music, Sophos. Really shouldn't be doing that. It just makes me want to unplug the speaker in that PC. Let's see what happens this time. I'm going to say operating system not found. Whee! We got something.
We got one!
All right, let's see what happens. You got 5 minutes to boot up, and then we're giving you up. Yeah, still nothing. Nothing. So what I will do then, before I say, well, that's a load of rubbish, is I'm going to quickly have a look at the documentation for it. Well, yeah. See, it may be failing because there's only one nick in there. What would be nice would be some sort of documentation, would it not? Unfortunately, I don't have a USB NIC that I can plug into this. Just let it boot up on its own. Yeah, I get the message. You're booting. Booting what? This does not want to boot, does it? Right, one last chance. Yeah. It's not loving me, is it? Okay, let's knock that on the head. It might be because there's only one nick in there. I don't know. The fact that I'm getting absolutely no output is of concern. So we'll have to knock that one on the head. Maybe revisit that another time. Reoccurring theme in my videos. Let's revisit. Slightly annoying. What can you do? If you got any tips, please do drop them in the comments, because I'd be more than grateful to know what's going on there. Thumbs up or thumbs down if you like or dislike this video. Subscribe. Check out Discord server. Lots of people in there now and it's going quite well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.